Wat maak jy?
Short sentence in English is very long in Afrikaans. I'm gonna give him the shortest version. Wat maak jy?
Jy. Wat maak jy? Wat maak jy? Wat maak jy?
But remember,
Surat.
Yeah. But in those times it was scattable.
Ai, bo.
Scatterbo,
Yeah, scattable.
Ik zei scat. Mescat.
Maskat.
Niemand
Meskat.
Mescat.
Meskat.
Ja.
Wat maak jy hierso, Miskat?
But don't say scat.
Okay,
Ja, dus is
yeah.
Wat maak jy hier so?
Okay, Thomas.
He's gonna kill it. Watch him. Watch him.
Fuck.
He's gonna kill it.
What are you doing here then?
Come to tell me that I have a child.
Call me my name,
What I was doing April. It's been a long time.
He calls me Samantha, you will call me Menta. Because I'm from the hood.
And when you're not gonna say Prapi, you're gonna say
Baby.
no, my name, Bongani.
Bongani.
Yeah.
Bongani, baby.
Yeah.
Why not
My
baby?
name is.
Oh yeah. Oh, I left him. But it doesn't mean I didn't love him. I left him for proper
We are
money.
acting, remember. I'm not really checking now. Using feelings in this. You must
Wat jy nie so my skat.
Muscat. One day it's called Muscat.
Yeah.
I know
Don't
I'm
say
changing. Because of Liam.
No, don't say so. Short sentence in English is very long.